Beginners in the topic will ask themselves, what is Lean Six Sigma? Let's start with the name. It consists of two words, Lean and Six Sigma. Lean is an adjective and, according to the Oxford Dictionary, it means without much fat. The lean part in Lean Six Sigma stands for lean management, which is a production method that originates from Japan, more precisely from the Toyota production system. The main objective of lean is to prevent waste. On the other side, Six Sigma consists of the number 6 and the Greek letter sigma, which stands for 6 standard deviations of a normal distribution. Six Sigma is a quality management method that was first practiced in the United States at Motorola and General Electric. As the name implies, it is a method that strongly relies on statistics. The main goal of Six Sigma is to reduce defects. Combined, Lean Six Sigma is a synergized management concept which focuses on eliminating waste and continuous flow, with a special emphasis on decision making based on statistical evidence and thorough project management. Speaking of project management, there are two kinds of Lean Six Sigma projects: improving already existing processes or products and designing completely new processes and products. Classic Lean Six Sigma deals with improvement projects, whereas for creating new processes or projects, we have a process called Design for Six Sigma. For improvement projects, we follow the so-called DMAIC approach. DMAIC stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. In Design for Six Sigma, we follow a slightly different approach called DMATV, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Design, and Verify. In this yellow belt course, we will concentrate on classic Lean Six Sigma and therefore follow DMAIC. Operators of Lean Six Sigma are organized in a certain hierarchy. Similar like in martial arts, this classification is expressed in differently colored belts. At the base of the hierarchy is the yellow belt, followed by the green belt, black belt, and finally the master black belt. To qualify for a yellow belt, you should have at least a basic understanding of Lean Six Sigma principles, but there's no project experience required. Yellow belts are typically executing team members in a Lean Six Sigma project. Green belts have already a thorough understanding of Lean Six Sigma principles. They could already gain some project experience, either as a project team member or even as a leader of simple projects. Black belts have an advanced level of expertise, gained in years of experience as project leaders. They work as full-time Lean Six Sigma project leaders and instructors. Master black belts are on the top of the hierarchy. They are true experts in Lean Six Sigma, with decades of major project experience. Their job is to coach black belts and to implement Lean Six Sigma on the top management level. Lean Six Sigma offers great career opportunities and a generous income. According to the stated sources, a yellow belt earned in 2017 in the United States on average around $67,000 to $99,000 per year. Green belts range from $71,000 to $102,000 per year, and black belts make around $95,000 to $112,000 per year. This could be soon also your salary. All you need to do is to stay focused and finish this course. At the end, you will be rewarded with an official Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt certificate. That could be your ticket to a lucrative and fulfilling career. In the next videos, we will look at Lean and Six Sigma separately and get more into detail of each management philosophy. We'll start with Lean management.